In my experience of teaching, students often skip inequality problems on SHSAT being afraid of getting a wrong answer. I would like to give you 3 simple rules to rock and roll inequalities once and for all. If your SHSAT test is coming up in 2 months, 2 weeks, or 24 hours and you can't crack the math section, check out our last-minute CRAM course designed to improve your SHSAT score by 50 to 75 points within just 24 hours of focused study. You can find the link to the last-minute CRAM course in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. So first things first, treat inequalities as if they were just equations. So assume that 2x is just equal to 10. What would you do in this situation? You would divide both sides by 2. Right? So then you get x is greater than or equal to 5. Congratulations, you just solved your first inequality. Now, in case where you have a negative on one side, if you divide by a negative, you will have to switch the sign of the inequality. So you will have x on the left side. On the right side, you have 20 over negative 5, which is minus 4. But the sign of the inequality will change to this. X is less than or equal to minus 4. Finally, if you have something more complicated like this, again, treat this as an equation. Subtract 5. You're going to get 2x is less than or equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2. And you get x is less than or equal to 3. Being equipped with these 3 rules, mini examples, whatever, let's now go ahead and solve the actual problems from the SHSAT. The first one is very easy, problem 71 from test A. You get this inequality. So if you divide both sides by 6 and by 6 here, you get negative 12 over 6 greater than essentially x, because 6x over 6 turns into x. So minus 2 is greater than x, or x is less than minus 2. That is your answer, which is C. The next problem is problem 106 from test A. So I'm not going to read this entire paragraph because that's complete crap and unnecessary. In the second paragraph, all I need to figure out is for this inequality, what does B stand for? So what's the number of 2-point baskets Marcus needs to make if he wants to score at least his minimum total points? So we're talking about points, so we're talking about integers. So let's go. 2b plus 8 is greater than or equal to 25, minus 8 minus 8. 2b greater than or equal to 17, divide both by 2, you get b is greater than or equal to 17 over 2, or 8.5. Now, since we are looking for integers, we need to round this 8.5 up to 9. So b is greater than or equal to 9, which is F. Let's move on. Problem 70 from test B. For what values of x is the above inequality true? We just need to solve it. So let me rewrite it. 2x plus 11 greater than 3x plus 9 minus 3x minus 3x. You get minus x plus 11 greater than 9 minus 11 minus 11 minus x is greater than or equal to just greater than minus 2. So I did this move on purpose. I should have done something else, but I did this on purpose just to demonstrate. So now we have negative x. What we need to do is we need to multiply by minus 1 both sides. But we can't just do that. We have to change the inequality sign. So what we'll have is minus 1 times minus x is just x. Minus 2 times minus 1 is just 2. But we'll have to change the inequality sign to this. So x is less than 2, which is E. Final problem, problem 113 from test B. It's a little bit of a word problem, not pure inequality, but let's just include it here just to show how this could be solved. So a team is participating in a contest to collect canned goods for a food drive. The team has 53 points and must have a total of at least 100 points to win a prize. The team earns 5 points for each can of food a member collects, which inequality can be used to find x, the number of cans of food the team needs to collect to win a prize. So since we're looking for at least 100 points, we are looking into B, greater than or equal to 100, or D. C and A are out. What we have to do is you have 53 points already. Then you have 5 points for every single member, or whatever the x stands for, so plus 5x, and that has to be greater than or equal to 100. So that is going to be D, the B is just wrong, because 53x makes no sense. 53 is the actual points. If your SHSAT test is coming up in 2 months, 2 weeks, or 24 hours, you need to check out the last-minute CRAM course now. This course is designed specifically for you to help you improve your SHSAT score by 50 to 75 points within just 24 hours of focused study. Find the link to the last-minute CRAM course in the description below. Bye-bye.